All right. Good evening, my dear students. All right. So this video is a short and quick explanation about how will you be able to create a cloud folder online. But first and foremost, you need to have an internet connection, a good stable internet connection. Take note of that. So first, you need to go to either OneDrive by Microsoft or Google Drive or MediaFire account. So click your chosen cloud folder provider. It's either you will click OneDrive, this one, or if you prefer or choose to use MediaFire, you will click this one or Google Drive, which majority of you, I do believe, has access or have an activated account using Google account. So if you have a Google account, it follows that you also have a Google Drive. You have that. And again, I suggest choose the one you already have an active account, all right? Next is find, create, or upload, or look for the plus sign button. So to make it quick, example, this image that I'm showing you to you right now is from OneDrive. So this is how it looks like. So if you go, anyway, going back quickly, this presentation, not just the video, but the HTML, the web page of this reading with pictures, it will be provided as well to our FB group. So you can click which one you prefer to create or make a cloud folder online. It's either OneDrive, Mediafire, or Google Drive. So for example, the first one, this one, is OneDrive. So if you see the create or upload button or the plus sign, you click it. Then, wait. But if you decided and want to use Mediafire, I will just color blue. You can use Mediafire and look for the plus sign here, upper right corner of the Mediafire web browser, web page rather. Or if you decided, since majority already have a Google account, you can choose and make a cloud folder online using Google Drive. So you see the plus button here, the plus sign with the word new, you can click that. Again, all of these links are provided just what being showed here, what being shown on this video discussion explanation. Then, example, I will use color orange again to emphasize and highlight about OneDrive. So example, you are using OneDrive. After you click the create or plus button or upload button, you will go directly to this part that says create a folder there, or color blue. If you decided to use Mediafire, number 2, you see the plus sign button here. If you click it, it will go directly and create this opening here, create a folder. You need to create a folder, and you have to rename it. Or if you will use Google Drive, see the plus button sign here? It will also show the same. You will be creating a new folder like this one. Take note, you have to create or rename your cloud folder as follows. You have to put your, let me change the color. You have to put your last name, first name, middle initial, um, space, again, last name, space, name, space, middle initial, space, grade level, space, strand, space, section. Or to make it short, simply look like this one. Example, Procopio Isidro D, 12 ABMA. So you have to rename your folder as what indicated here. Okay? So that's what you will be putting to here, to this part, in here, in this part, or in this part. Last name, space, first name, space, middle initial, space, 12, space, strand, space, section. That's why you have to create or name your folder. Then, let me erase this part. So messy. Anyway, let us continue. Attach or upload to your cloud folder your script in PDF. Wait, you need to have that in order. You need to put first your script in PDF, number one, 20 images, number two, and the Picha Kucha presentation, viewable presentation, number three. So in that cloud folder you are making, the things that I will be able to see and access there is your script in PDF, 20 images, and the video presentation itself. Then number five, make sure the cloud folder setting is view mode only so that I will be able to view it or watch it. For Mediafire, simply copy the cloud folder link. For Mediafire, Mediafire is so easy to use. For Google Drive and OneDrive, always find the three dots. You will be able to find something like this, the three dots, to change the settings of the cloud folder. So again, besides Mediafire, Mediafire is okay, so easy to use. For Google Drive, OneDrive, you have to find these three dots to change the settings of the cloud folder. So this is what I'm talking about. This is OneDrive. So you see this, the three, this is Procopio Isidro D12 ABMA. The three dots are there. Then you will be able to see the share button. You have to edit it, edit, share, and make it. You have to click this part. Then view, can view. So whoever have this link, they will be able to view what's inside of that cloud folder of yours. That is why, again, number 5.1 and number 5, cloud folder settings view mode only for Google Drive and OneDrive. That's why you need to be careful and find where is the three dots. 1, 2, 3 dots, dots. Excuse me. Then for what's this? For Google Drive, you have to find this very carefully. You have to look this part. This part. Again, this is Mediafire, so easy. You just have to copy the link for Mediafire. Easy. This is Mediafire, so simple. For Google, this one, you have to look for that. This. Then it will direct you to. mm, you have to change this part. Anyone with the link can view. You have to copy the link, and that's it for Google. Anyway, you will be guided according to this video description explanation how to make a cloud folder online. Make sure you have an internet connection. If you have any question, feel free to put your questions on our FB comment section, FB group comment section about this video tutorial, how to make a cloud folder online. Again, for Mediafire, it's so easy and simple. You just have to find the plus button. This one, Mediafire color blue. After the plus button sign there, Mediafire, you have to rename, put name to your folder. Then in that folder, you have the three items that I'm looking, the script in PDF, 20 images, and the Picha Kucha video presentation. You have to upload all these three items there to that cloud folder of yours. Three items should be there. And once you upload it there for Mediafire, simply copy the link. This part, copy the link. So messy. But if you will be using OneDrive or Google Drive, you have to take note of some of the instructions carefully. You have to take it seriously and consider all the steps I'm providing here with. For Google Drive, the plus button, the create or upload, you have to rename your folder. Then always look for three dots and always upload the three items that I will be needed to check all your submissions about Picha Kucha presentation. The script in PDF format, 20 images, and the Picha Kucha itself. All right. Thank you so much. Goodbye.